This is our earthquake-resistant structure. It replicates a factory. We chose a factory because it's bigger, sturdier, and way cooler. It is made of clay tiles for the roof, wood for the factory shape, foam pads for the sides of the walls that represent steel shear walls. Our factory took a good 3 weeks.
This slide shows the right side wall of our structure. It is painted black, as you can see. Underneath our factory is a piece of styrofoam glued with a hot glue gun, which represents a base isolation pad. It's something that represents the structure from the ground and absorbs the shock from the earthquake.
Our factory is located on the southern border of Alaska. We chose Alaska because it has experienced 8.1 magnitude earthquakes each year. That's pretty high for a magnitude. Our focus is the point along the fault at which the first motion of an earthquake occurs. Our epicenter is the point of the earthquake surface that is directly above the earthquake's starting point or fault.
This slide shows marbles inside of a cardboard box. It represents a shake table. We took a cardboard box and shaped it like a rectangular shape. We used gray duct tape and staples to connect the box's edges together.
This is our block of wood that goes on top of the marbles. We then put the factory on top of the block of wood and then shake the sides of the cardboard box left to right, creating love waves.
When we actually shook the shake table, our structure was designed to not fall apart, and it stayed intact like we thought. It stayed intact because we made it super sturdy and made out of realistic materials.
Some good things about our factory are that it did stay intact. Also, our shake table successfully succeeded by not collapsing. Some things that we needed to improve on was that the size that we made everything, because it was a bit big. We needed to make some things neater, like the shake table, which was covered in duct tape. We also needed to have better time management within our group. Just because we finished it really fast, it still needed some improvement.
In conclusion, our factory proved to be an earthquake-resistant, strong and sturdy, and obviously very large. There are some things that we can improve on, but all in all, it stayed together and functioned properly.